afraid of us?
Why are you so scared, Nina? Are you afraid of us? Why are you so scared? Are you
Afraid of us?
until you play a game with us. Let's play a game of hide and seek. If you find all of us before the time runs out, we'll let you go. But if you don't, then you'll stay with us forever. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. You're not going to be able to find